Hello, little friend. Do you know what goes roar in the jungle? That's right, it's a tiger. Tigers are the biggest cats in the whole wide world. They're even bigger than lions. Can you imagine a kitty cat as big as Mommy's car? Well, tigers are almost that big. Tigers have the most beautiful orange fur with black stripes all over their bodies. Those stripes look like someone painted them with a big paintbrush. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. And guess what? No two tigers have the same stripes. Just like you have your very own special fingerprints, every tiger has their own special stripe pattern. Isn't that amazing? Let me tell you about Tommy the tiger. Tommy lives in the jungle where there are lots of tall trees and green plants everywhere. When Tommy wakes up in the morning, he stretches just like your kitty at home. He yawns really, really big, and you can see all his sharp white teeth. His teeth are as long as your fingers. But don't worry, Tommy only uses his teeth for eating his dinner, not for being mean. Tigers have big, soft paws. Their paws are like wearing fuzzy slippers that never come off. These special paws have something very cool hidden inside them. When tigers walk, they can pull their sharp claws inside their paws, just like hiding toys in a pocket. Then when they need them, pop! Out come the claws. This helps keep their claws nice and sharp, like having brand new crayons that never get dull. Do you like swimming? Well, tigers love swimming. While your house cat might run away from bath time, tigers jump right into the water. Splash, splash, splash. Tommy the tiger loves to swim in the river on hot days. He paddles with his big paws and his tail helps him steer, just like the rudder on a boat. Sometimes he even plays games in the water, trying to catch fish with his paws. Swoosh! Missed one! Swoosh! Got it! Tigers have super special eyes that can see in the dark. When nighttime comes and you need a nightlight to see, tigers can walk around and see everything perfectly. Their eyes glow in the dark like tiny flashlights. Tommy's eyes are bright yellow, like two little suns shining in the night. This helps him find his way through the dark jungle when all the other animals are sleeping. Speaking of sleeping, do you know what tigers like to do most during the day? They sleep. Just like you take naps, tigers sleep for many, many hours every day. Tommy the tiger loves to find a cozy spot under a shady tree. He curls up like a giant orange and black cinnamon roll and snoozes the afternoon away. Sometimes he snores a little bit, and it sounds like a lawnmower. Vrr, vrr, vrr. Tigers have the longest whiskers you've ever seen. Their whiskers are like magic feelers that help them know if they can fit through spaces. If their whiskers touch the sides, they know they're too big to squeeze through. It's like having rulers attached to your face. Tommy once tried to squeeze between two trees to get to some yummy berries, but his whiskers told him, "Nope, too tight." So he had to walk around instead. Baby tigers are called cubs, and they're the cutest things you've ever seen. Tiger cubs are born tiny, about the size of a guinea pig. They can't see when they're born, just like newborn puppies. Their mommy takes care of them and keeps them safe and warm. Tiger cubs love to play, just like you do. They wrestle with their brothers and sisters, rolling around like fuzzy orange balls. They practice pouncing on leaves and chasing butterflies. Let me tell you about when Tommy was a little cub. He loved to play hide and seek with his sister Tara. But tigers are very good at hiding because their stripes help them blend in with the tall grass and shadows in the jungle. It's like wearing a costume that makes you invisible. Tommy would crouch down low, low, low in the grass, and when Tara walked by, he would jump out. Surprise! Well, he couldn't really say surprise but he would make a little roar that sounded more like a meow. Tigers can run super fast. They can run faster than a car driving through your neighborhood. When Tommy runs, his powerful legs push him forward, and his long tail helps him balance. Zoom, zoom, zoom! He runs so fast that the wind makes his whiskers wiggle and his fur ripples like waves on water. Did you know that tigers like to talk to each other? They don't use words like we do, but they make different sounds. They can roar so loud that other tigers can hear them from very far away, even farther than from your house to the park. It's like having a super loud telephone. They also make a special happy sound called a chuff. It goes like when you blow air through your lips. When Tommy sees his mom, he chuffs to say, "Hi, Mom, I love you." Tigers have special rough tongues, like sandpaper. When tiger moms clean their babies, it's like getting brushed with a scratchy brush. But the cubs don't mind, because it feels like a nice massage. Tommy's mom would lick his fur to keep him clean, and sometimes it tickled so much he would wiggle and squirm. Tigers are very good at climbing trees, even though they're so big and heavy. Tommy learned to climb when he was young. At first, he could only climb little trees, and sometimes he would get stuck, and his mom would have to help him down. But now that he's grown up, he can climb tall, tall trees to take naps on big branches or to look for birds' nests. When tigers are happy, they close their eyes halfway and look very peaceful, just like when you're cozy in bed. They also like to rub their faces on things they like, marking them with their special smell that says, "This is mine." Tommy has a favorite tree that he rubs his cheeks on every day. It's his special friend tree. Tigers need lots of space to live and be happy. Tommy's jungle home is bigger than many neighborhoods put together. He walks and walks and walks every day, exploring and looking for food. Sometimes he finds new streams to drink from, or new caves to explore. Every day is an adventure. Even though tigers are very big and strong, they're also gentle with their families. Tiger moms carry their babies very carefully in their mouths, just like a doggy carries a toy. The cubs don't get hurt because their moms are so gentle and careful. Tigers are very important for keeping the jungle healthy and balanced. They're like the principals of the jungle, making sure everything runs smoothly. Without tigers, the jungle wouldn't be the same special place. Tommy the tiger wants you to know that even though tigers are big and can roar very loudly, they're also beautiful, amazing animals who just want to live peacefully in their homes. They're like giant striped swimming cats who love their families and enjoy taking long naps in the sunshine. So, next time you see a picture of a tiger, remember Tommy and all the wonderful things about tigers. Remember their beautiful stripes, their love for swimming, their big soft paws, and their loud roars that can be heard from so far away. Tigers are truly special, and now you know all about them. Can you roar like a tiger? Let's try it together. Roar! That was perfect. You're an expert on tigers now, and Tommy the tiger would be so proud of you for learning all about him and his tiger friends. Sweet dreams, little one, and maybe tonight you'll dream about swimming with tigers in a magical jungle river, splashing and playing under the warm sun, with your new friend Tommy the tiger showing you all the secret places where tigers love to play.